Hi guys, today is Thursday the 25th and we're going back to the boat. We took 2 days off because we were really tired and a little bit sick, but we're feeling better today. We're gonna work on taking out the rolling furler and the head stay, which can be a little problem, but we're gonna try to figure it out. And we're gonna go buy tools because we don't have tools. They got stolen by the looters. I need to buy some Allen wrenches and some metric wrenches. And we're gonna take the extensions that are bent to see if they can be fixed at the welder. The welder can fix it. All right. But first, we're gonna go have breakfast. How's the Tammy Parker feeling today?
I feel better.
The Queen La, the Queen La.
But now I have a sore throat.
Sore throat?
Okay.
Yeah.
And it's not feeling as bad as it did in the middle of the night.
What about last night? How were you feeling? Slept good?
I slept good, but I woke up, like I said, in the middle of the night with a sore throat.
I was having a lot of weird dreams, huh?
Yeah, baby.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Was I talking in my sleep?
Weird. You were weird.
Yeah?
You said. Then you woke up yelling, "Turn the TV on!"
What?
Wow, you're like yelling about the TV being loud. You're like, "Turn it down! It's too loud!" I'm like, wow.
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 What else, baby?
That's it. That's it. That's all that happened.
Yeah. Today is a rainy day at the marina. It's raining. That sucks because we can't get nothing accomplished today. This is my girlfriend that likes to sleep like a little piggy.
Princess that I am.
Princess. I was doing like this and you're gonna wake up, baby. Why?
Are you gonna be nice to me on my birthday?
That's tomorrow, not today.
Yeah, but you should be nice to me every day like it's my birthday. I'm nice to you.
She already have babies.
You think she can have one?
Yeah, why not? ¿Cómo está?
Come on. Here. Okay.
Dami is feeding the dogs.
Okay, let me get the paper off. Babe, help me.
Help you with what, mi amor? It's really hungry. That dog's really hungry. She nearly ate your hand. Se le come la mano, ajá.
Here.
Dale a Marina.
Here, honey.
O Marea.
I'm afraid she might.
No, pues no lo dejo ni caer.
Sí, lo
Okay,
No le
guys.
puedo dar así, porque me come la mano.
Sacho, sí.
No, pues ya no lo deja caer.
Baby, give the other ones.
I know, but I'm afraid she might do
There,
something.
she don't gonna do anything.
Okay, hold on. Hi, babies. Okay, hold on. Okay. Here, and then here. Don't go there. Here. Marina won't eat it. Oh, she won't either.
Don't worry, she will eat it. This one will eat it.
They're picky again.
So we are on the boat. We're gonna take the roller furler off the mast. And we're gonna take the forestay. So for that, we need to lose the turnbuckles right here on the back forestays. You see, they're really loose. That's one. And this is the other one. Have to let them loose so the mast go forward and give us the slack we need to take the forestay off.
Babe, give me that bucket.
What bucket?
Right there.
What are you doing, baby?
I need to put water in it, baby.
What are you doing, baby?
The boat.
Clean the boat.
Yeah.
I like your outfit. Let me see. Hey. Okay.
Oh, and then
All right.
we got a guest.
We got our friend
Someone
dog
helping us.
helping us out.
Hola.
Hola.
¿Cómo está?
Muy bien.
Muy bien,
Muy
muy bien.
bien.
So yeah, we tied two halyards to the mast to come push the mast forward, and we're gonna remove this drum right there that is bent, and this is right here. We have to work on this. Take that off. So tied to the one cleat. Hope that's enough. And we're drinking medallas. We start Puerto Rico. Whee! All right, guys. So we run into a problem over here trying to take the drums, aluminum drums, of the jib furler. And we got the furler run here. Okay. And this is the swivel. Then there's some screws right there. They don't come out. I need to take at least 2 of these drums out. Anybody have a solution for that? How to remove these ones without stripping them? Because they're really tight, they don't want to come up. They've been there for 10 years, maybe 11. Well, let me know you have a solution, all right? Boom. We're back at Home Depot.
Good old Home Depot.
Good old Home Depot. Because we need to buy a heat gun. Apparently, we need a heat gun to lose
gun?
heat.
What's a heat gun?
It's a heat gun. I don't know. We need to find out. A torch or a heat gun. We need to find out how to lose the Loctite inside the screws on the jib furler. We'll see, guys, if we can find one. Okay, let's try this. Benzomatic. We got a Benzomatic. This is what it says right here. So this have the whole kit for $32.
Yeah.
That's good. That's good.
That's what we're gonna get.
What is this one? What is this one? What's the difference?
High heat torch kit. Multi-use torch kit.
I don't know what the deal.
Auto start, stop. Trigger start. I say get this one.
How much is this one? This one's 50.
50, we're not getting that one.
We're not getting
That one's
that one.
60.
60, okay, well let's get this one then. $30. You press the trigger. Alright. Alright. We're gonna get this one, guys. Home Depot again. Digging deep in my pockets. So now we're gonna try the torch. Okay. Turn it on. Press the trigger.
Turn it the other way.
Turn it the other way.
Yeah, other.
Right. Oh, I saw something. Okay. There you go. Right. We're gonna heat it up for a good 2 minutes to break the Loctite that is in there. Apparently, it's a glue that holds the screw in place so the motion and vibration of the boat don't break it loose. Alright? Let's see. So guys, right now we're gonna try the impact driver. It's like a screwdriver that you hit. Oh shit. And every time you hit it, wow,
You lose the bit.
Wow, that was scary. Woo! So every time you hit it, it moves a little bit. The screwdriver moves and it breaks the seal. Let's see how this works. So apparently you put it on inside the screw, right? You bang it. But it's not doing anything. Let's see the other one. See if it works. The other one. Okay. No. Let's try the torch now. This thing right here is giving us problem. We need a solution to get this further out. We'll see. Yay!
Yeah, look at that one. That one looks like it's threaded on. Totally different than what you have.
This one, yeah. That was this one, but this one is really old.
Yeah, yeah, that's true.
We worked really hard today. We didn't get nothing accomplished because the screws didn't want to come out. So it's gonna be raining. We're gonna go have a drink before we head home. Right? What's up, Tammy? How's your birthday?
Good, babe, look.
How's your birthday, baby? You missing the babies? You missing the babies? Huh?
Huh?
Missing the babies?
I'm missing them. A lot.
You have to get ready here, baby, before we go.
I know.
Okay?
I know.
I love you.